Hey, this is the next part. So let's see how is we can install the transmission, how is everything fit, and how we can fix it, other problems. Okay, so let's go start it. There you go. Easiest way, lightweight. When we drop the oil from the transmission, my friend is asking me why I didn't fix this one. This transmission, it's easy to fix. Have a 722.6 transmission in it. This one, it's on limp mode, but it's not biggie, just a conductor plate, so this not really bad the transmission, but didn't switch. The limp mode is stuck in second gear, but I bought it this one for a project, so I want to convert a manual on this one. I don't want to fix it, this transmission, but if I want this transmission, you can buy it, but I don't want to. Okay, the oils came down. I'm back here with you guys. Let's go. The next step, and take off the torque converter bolts. Here we go. So under the car again, this one is a cover. You just top that up, oops, and fall down, and you see over there, that is a flex plate holding the torque converter like a flywheel. So need to turn the engine until the flywheel bolts just came over there. So just came over there, one of them, the torque converter bolt, like there, that one. Let's go take it out. This one, turn the engine more, then coming the next one, take it out, next one, take it out, next one, take it out. Easy busy. And torque converter bolt is a 13mm. So there you go. So see, and just take off. And you want to make sure, sometimes you can have a hole here, and you can touch the torque converter, and you touch the torque converter, and with your finger, if the transmission is good, if your finger, you can turn it, the torque converter, so you feel that is free. Happy. The torque converter came with the transmission. So after that, just take off the electric wires. I didn't want to fix the transmission. There's one. I just take out all the bolts around the transmission and the engine. Only two. One of them here, and the other side. Another side there. Heavier. Just a little bit loose, not much. And we're coming back here. And right now, I want to take it out the cross mount, the transmission mount, and the dry shaft. And here is this the parking sensor, and the shifter linkage. And after the transmission already came out. This is, guys, we need to fix at this distance. Only this one is the differences, but because everything is modular, have another dry shaft. I just will show you a little bit later. It's exactly fit in a car, so no worries. That's it, that is done. So there is, I just replaced the rear mainsail. Nice and new. And there's coming a flywheel. I didn't record separately, but I start torque it to the flywheel, to the bolts, and after I came back. There you go. You see? So all the sockets around hold it. Here we go. Let's come up. You hold it all the way. You hold it all the way. See? It's coming all the way. And you release, let's hold it. Right now, this is how reset. Cool! It's on it! So, the dry shaft is a little bit shorter. I show you. When we put it in to the dry shaft over there, there we go. Well, you wanna up, it's short. So we need the other. So guys, there's another drive shaft. Just half drive shaft because we need just a half. And because the Mercedes modular parts, that one, the longer one, guess what? How it came from? Where this came from? It came from a junkyard 2001 S600. It's exactly the size you need and perfectly fit. I just show you. Here we are again under the car. See, here is a new dry shaft. Okay, let's go over there. The Mercedes, the 30 years didn't change anything on cars for basic stuff. Okay, so over there is perfectly done. In the front, just put it in. You just slide in gently and see, it's perfectly fit. Just button, it's done. Awesome. Okay guys, so thank you for watching. This part is done. I hope you guys enjoy what I'm doing. I sponsor by Sal. Oh, sponsor! If you wanna send me the check, I give you the sticker over here in the car. I hope you guys enjoy this, all the builds, and the couple cosmetic modifications and the suspension modifications coming on the future. You hit the subscribe button, like, and please enjoy us in the future and check the other videos too. Thank you guys. See you next time. Peace.